Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm jacobcrypobury, your host, and we're going to explore API3 crypto today. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Can it potentially be a good investment for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years? Well, let's explore this token together. Guys, I will be covering DeFi, news topic, on-chain analysis, staking, altcoins, and much, much more. So if you like this kind of thing, do subscribe to the channel. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 20.7k. Ethereum is at $1,100. Can we hold the line, or are we going to see further capitulation? We do see some really nice pumps for altcoins on this daily time frame, as well as the weekly as well. We've got Doge up 14.6%, Hex up 15%, Shiba up 27%, Uni, Polygon all looking really strong as well. So the Extreme Fear has again presented good potential opportunity. API3 is currently ranked 315 project in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, so it's definitely a low cap gem sitting at just $61 million. This means we could easily see a 10 to 20 to possibly even a 30x of the current price in the future. That is very bullish. Of course, low market cap means big volatility, but it does mean huge potential for reward. So massive risk, massive reward potential of this project. And we can see looking, in the past, if we zoom out, previous market cap all-time high that we can see over here on coin market cap is around 296 million from the date we launched. So yeah, pretty nice to see. We haven't had a major correction, but the price has of course tumbled down quite a little bit. What actually is API3? So what is API3? Smart contracts often struggle to access dependable data, but application programming interfaces, APIs, have been touted as a solution. API3 stated goal is to allow decentralized versions of APIs to be built, managed, and monetized at scales. Here is their Twitter page. You've got just about 44,000 followers at the moment, and it does look like they are actively tweeting out to the audience. So they are still developing in the background, bringing on new ideas, partnering and collaborating with different big giants in the tech industry, which is of course very important. So API3, this is the website, the Web3 API economy. Think Pocket, think Solana, Zalika, think of these other Web3 projects that will be booming in the future. We've also got Solana. We've also got, Uniswap also dabbling in with Web3. So it's quite a basic website. It's a bit dark, to be honest. It's a bit bland. You've got the industry here, you've got the solutions here, the beacons, the white paper, which is always nice to look at. So if you are keen to invest in this, always make sure you thoroughly look through the white papers of these projects, because you want to know everything that you're getting into, and you want to have actual belief in the project. You're not investing because someone has told you to, you're investing because you actually believe in the vision of the project. So I'm not going to read through all this. It does look technical, but now you know exactly where to find that white paper if you need it. It's on the website. Hop over to the white paper English, have a read through, and do a bit of research yourself. It's always good to do that. So we're going to look at the price structure now for API3. I don't actually know what to call this project, but we can see basically since the launch on exchange here, we're looking at the Coinbase exchange. We launched over here around $7.35, big all-time high around $9.70, and since we've just been in a macro downtrend, so we've come down to around the 8 to 9% correction at the moment from market cycle top to bottom. A typical altcoin correction, can I say so myself. What else have we got going on? So we actually basically lost a key level of support where we had this triple top position. Crazy thing is we actually bounced to the upside after this support level of $3.23. So this is also a really big level of support, resistance at $2.54. You can see that the price did bust through, but we got rejected on this particular day of 10th of May. We came up, price came through, we lost support once again. So of course that's critical. We are also trading in a macro descending channel at the moment, so the momentum is effectively down. Usually we see continuation to the downside with this, but I do think coming down to $0.92 and actually losing that particular support level is very unlikely, as that would probably result in a market cap of below $30 million. So what we're looking at right now in this daily time frame, one thing I did notice is the bullish divergence here on the RSI. You see the RSI is putting through a higher high as that price is putting through a lower low. Effectively, this means that we're seeing accumulation and a potential reversal or shift in the price momentum of the project. And you can see following this bullish divergence, we did get that pump to the upside, which is very nice to see. And if we zoom in even closer into the 4-hour time frame, you can see we're also trading in this nice ascending channel or triangle. Well, actually, we're going to probably call it a symmetrical triangle on this occasion, just because of the volatility wicks that we've got here. But there is a good chance we could still break to the upside of this. We could even call it an engulfing bull flag almost, but I do think it's more of a symmetrical triangle on this occasion. So I'm looking out for the breakout, guys. Let's just draw these lines to get them a bit neater. There it is. So that's what we're looking for, the symmetrical triangle. Are we going to break out to the upside? We were a bit overbought on the RSI here on the 4-hour time frame on the 21st of June. We might get a pump to the upside. If we can break through this key resistance here at $1.75, my next target is the next swing high up at $2.18, as you see. So I'm going to just jot in these price targets on the long position. As you see, we got that $2.19, and obviously if we break through this resistance here, the next swing high is going to be the next target at $2.65 here for the API3 coin. If we lose support, let's always look at the bearish scenario too, because we could effectively still put through a double top over here, create a neckline and actually lose the support, and that will take us down to around this particular swing low, which I'm just going to draw in right here. So again, if we lose support, these are the different levels that we could come down to upon, putting through maybe a bit of a double top position. So we're looking at $1.34, we're looking at $1.19 on the bearish side, which would keep us holding price structure in this descending channel. Do you think this is going to pump, guys? Let me know in the comments. Are you investing in API3? If you want to buy API3 today, use the link down in the description below. Take a click on through, have a look at the exchange, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. So yeah, big things can effectively happen for this project at the moment. If this is the market cycle bottom, if this is where we trade sideways for a while, we can start looking at long-term price targets too. Effectively the first area of resistance on the 0.236 Fibonacci extension, we're looking at the $3.05 level right there, followed by the 0.382 at 432, followed by the 0.618 at 636. Now 2025 targets, let's look at the next crypto bull run. We'd be looking at targets of roughly between $12 and $15 should this project maintain momentum and keep its traction, and of course get enough organic growth to actually penetrate the market and stand out here in the crypto industry. I think it can effectively happen. Very hungry next today. Just a quick sip of water. Nothing worse than a bit of dry mouth. We're sitting at 11. So we're still in that macro fear. People are terrified. I'm terrified. I'm not really terrified. I'm accumulating because I think it's actually a good idea. Not financial advice, but you've only got to look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart and it will tell you enough information. Sometimes you don't need fancy indicators. You don't need complexity. It's just simplicity like this. For example, Google Trends is down on crypto. The sentiment, the narrative in the news is extremely bearish. The fire sale chart is back here in the blue zone. And sometimes it's all you need, guys. Just these simple indicators which can help you make powerful decisions. And that's what this is about, the bear market. It's about accumulating long-term, holding long-term, bulletproof mindset, not caring about whether the coin drops another 10%, 20% because you're waiting for the future 500 to 5,000%. I mean, it sounds crazy, but this is how it works with crypto, right? You can't correct 5,000%. You can correct 99.9%, but you can increase 5,000%. Anyway, that's a bit of a wrap of this video. I don't know who actually watched this video to the end. I'm really curious. If you watched this video to the end, please can you just comment, I watched this video until the end. I'm really curious to know, because this YouTube algorithm just punishes me, and I swear, no matter what content I put out, no matter how well I try and place keywords or SEO, nobody is watching my videos. So yeah. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, thumbs up, and I'll see you all soon. Cheers guys, bye.